Hey, Armcandy gang, welcome back. This is today's beautiful bag, and it really is. It is super chic and sleek and beautiful. It is just gorgeous. The leather on this feels amazing. It is, of course, a Fendi 2Jours bag in their size mini. Don't let that fool you. If I come back, you can see that it is a small bag, but it definitely isn't a mini. The exact measurements are on the website. However, Fendi call it their mini version. It really, really is a stylish bag, this one. So we've got double top handles, and also it has a longer strap which is adjustable and also removable. And because it's Fendi, is that the right way up? No, that way. Because it's Fendi, everything is stamped. So we have the studs are all stamped, even the ring, the D-ring that it attaches to has the double S, and the same the other side. And I think it's that side of the ring. Oh, I can't even get in to show you the ring, look. That's all stamped. It has, of course, got the gorgeous bar, the Fendi bar on the front, and if I turn it around you can see that it is all properly screwed on. And it's got the D-ring here with the logo on the side. It is missing the tag, okay, so the tag does not come with it. And then on the base, 4 studs, again, they are all labelled with the FF. Okay, so that's the outside, absolutely stunning. Inside, there are sort of 3 sections. There's the 2 main compartments and then the central zipped pocket. And they're all kept together by this little leather press stud. Again, Fendi written all the way through that. Beautiful inside, both of these sections. Let's just show you, I think that will focus. Oh, yeah, I think it will. Okay, so zip the top, closure. Inside that beautiful pocket. The pocket goes right to the base of the bag. So gorgeous, gorgeous. I'll just come back and pop it on so you get a proper idea of the size. As I said, the measurements are on the website. I am a UK size 10, I'm about 5'4". I have got this on the shortest setting at 5'4". So you could have this so that it was a longer stretch if you wanted to. And it does come with the beautiful Fendi, cotton Fendi dust bag. Inside as well, this side, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but this side has got the leather serial tag, and this side has the fabric RFID tag on that side, okay? So the condition of the bag is good condition throughout, okay? So the exterior is good condition because there is just some slight signs of wear to the bottom corners, which is quite hard to show you because it's kind of catching the light. It's kind of just above there you go, there. It's catching the light all wrong, so you can't really see. There you go, just that bit there. This is fine, that's just where it's catching the light. It's literally that bit, just where my nail is there. So signs of wear at the bottom corners. The exterior, again, good condition. It is missing the tag. There are some very slight signs of wear on the bar, but good condition to the hardware. Oh, and there's some signs of wear on the base studs as well. But signs of wear, very slight signs of wear at the hardware. And inside, actually, we've called it good, but it is in excellent condition. There are no marks, there are no scuffs or anything like that on the inside. The inside of the zipped pocket is the fabric lining with the Fendi logo, as in F-E-N-D-I, and it's actually been stitched in upside down. So the fabric is upside down. It's absolutely fine. It just means that this came from a Fendi outlet store, like Bista or somewhere similar to that. So because of that, we've only called it a good, although because there's no marking and no signs of wear, could be an excellence, but with that pocket, I'm calling it a good. So stunning, stunning, beautiful, super chic, super sleek. I really think this is a stylish, grown-up bag. I love it. So Before you go and check it out on the website, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, hit the bell now, get subscribed to this channel, give us a thumbs up for this video, and then you can check this out on the website. There is a link to this in my comments below this video. Hit that link, it'll take you to the website. On there are all of our other pre-owned bags, purses and wallets. You can have a look at them. And remember to sign up for the newsletter. You will get a discount code if you sign up. 5% off your first purchase. Dead easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page on the website and there's a box. You pop your email address in there and then we will send you your discount code. It comes through immediately, so if you haven't got it within a minute or two, just check the spam folder. Sometimes it ends up in there. What else do you need to know? I think that's about it. So thumbs up for this, hit the bell, then go check this out on the website, sign up for the newsletter, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for tomorrow's beautiful Armcandy.